This is my bird on the right hand side. On the left hand side is the bird that comes and tries to feed my bird. Go on, try and feed the bird, why don't you? You've got the thing. I don't think they're the same species of bird. Okay. I don't think they're the same species of bird. This is my little birdie. I'm gonna call her Chirpy. Chirpy McBirdington. Where did Food Bird go? My bird just sits there and chirps and asks for food. I've been watching them for a little while now. My bird chirps and asks for food, and then the other bird come running up. So here he come. And he come and try and give the food. But for whatever reason, he's got food that's too big for the bird. It's not gonna fit in there. You're gonna fail at feeding the bird again. I've been watching this for like half an hour. It's just tragic. That's not how you feed the bird. No. You're just failing. Oh God, just hip popping the bird in the face. Feed her, she's chirping. Oh, it's gonna run away. We'll run away and hide in the bush. Alright, okay, come on. Feed her, feed her. Come on, get the food, put it in the... Nope, nope, it's still too big. You gotta, yeah, rip it apart with your beak, rip it in half. Nope, it's just flipping it over. No, you flipped it over, does it fit? Does it fit? No, it doesn't fit. This is the most weird thing I've ever seen in nature. It's one bird just sitting there chirping, and another bird just attempting to feed it and failing. Give it the food! Give it the food. No, it ran away again. Ah, come on. Come on, come back and feed the bird. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Come feed the bird. Feed it. Come here. Yeah, we've got this. Feed the bird. Feed it. It's ready. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Fail. Just immediately just fail. Feed the bird. Feed it. Don't get that. Just push the bird into the bush. Just kicking the bird. Feed it the damn slug. Or piece of rubbish. What is it you're trying to feed it? Ah, come on. It's hungry. Here we go. We're ready. We're keen. Here we go. Nope. Yeah, why is nature so sad? That bird is such a... come back and feed my bird. This is my bird. I've claimed it. It just sits and asks for food. Speaking of which, you're listening to HeadCasey narrate nature. You should subscribe and send me money and pay for my food. Chirp, chirp. But come on, just get the food and put it in the bird. Nope. Okay. This is so tragic. Just feed the bird already. What was that? Did you just eat it yourself? No, okay. Here we go, here we go. We've got nature. 3, 2, 1, nature. Fail. This is so tragic. He runs away. Alright, I'm gonna stop there. Thanks for watching and subscribe. I mean, no, I'm gonna keep recording, but oh God. I've been watching this like half an hour before I started recording. I'm pained to know how long this could actually go. Feed the bird! Feed it! Feed the bird, why don't you? Oh my God, are they the same kind of bird or anything even? Or is this just... Nope, oh, just fly away. He's gone. He's actually gone now. He's given... Oh wait, what's that? Is he up there? I think he's on the roof now. I think he's watching me from above. Yeah, he is. He's just sitting up on this ledge up here. Here he comes. He just flew back down. What are you doing? Why can't you just feed this bird already? Get a different food. When I first saw that you were feeding that bird, you fed him a worm and it worked, and then you've come back with this thing and you've not been able to feed it to him since. Pick a new thing. Give up on this thing. This is so painful to watch. Why am I still watching? God, why are you still watching this? Feed the bird. Feed the bird. Oh my God. It's just, it doesn't want to. Okay, and you give up again. Alright, so bye. My bird just goes hungry. Okay, come on, try it one more time. 3, 2, 1. This is your moment. So fail. It's so tragically fail. Oh my god. Why is nature just like... You get the idea, right? You just like put the food in the bird's mouth. It just doesn't fit in there, so get a different food. God. Oh, just feed it and feed the bird. Feed it. Come on. Nope. Okay, that's it for Feed the Bird episode 1. This is gonna be called Feed the Bird. Nope, but bye. Thanks for watching, and we're gonna fly away now and subscribe and feed the bird land. Oh wait, here we go. One more try for the win. Epic last attempt. 3, 2, 1. Nope. Just give up. Just bye. I had to start filming the birds again because it escalated beyond my wildest imagination. Bird took a poo on the ground, and had this bird, my chirpy bird, my baby bird. She's rolling around in the poo. She shimmied it all over a friend who ran off again. Come back, food bird, and feed me. Food bird, after doing the poo, just sat there and just looked mortified for a little while. Just sat there and just looked confused. Still trying to feed the thing that doesn't fit. I cannot believe that my birdie rolled around in the poo. Why, birdie, why would you do this? Oh God, nature, why? It just doesn't fit in there. Just give up on it, food bird. That's not gonna fit in the... come on. Go and get a worm or something. Don't be lazy, useless, and dumb. Oh gosh. Nope. You can hear my birdie saying chip chip nope, chip chip nope. See? Come on. Did you just bop it in the face? You didn't even have the cardboard, you just had bop bop with your beak. And food bird's kind of a dick. Or maybe it's my bird is kind of like just sitting there asking for food, you know. But feed her, come on. Feed her the slug. This is ridiculous. I can't believe we're already on episode 2 of Feed the Bird. We're on episode 2 and it hasn't been 10 minutes from the first episode. By the way, I don't know how this is a show. This is just 2 episodes of Feed the Bird so far. Oh gosh, come on. I might have to stop filming this because this is just so painful. Just give up or get the worm. Give it to the bird already. How long will this go on? I can't possibly know. This is so tragic. I have plans. I'm supposed to be doing stuff today. I can't sit here and just film birds. This is... my arm's getting cramped and it's just so tragic all over. Bird, feed the bird. Don't just dance around in circles. This is bopping up on the bird now. God, jeez, why? Damn, nature, you're scary. Feed it the thing. Wait, let me look. That's a piece of cardboard. That's not a slug, that's a piece of cardboard. Feed the bird. Oh, it just flew away. It ran over behind the bush and then it flew up and it flew away. Now my bird's gonna starve.